Good morning, guys. Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, so we're currently in another trade. Once again, live. Yes, a live account. And then, okay, there's another notification coming up. That is to say that we're going short on the GBP USD. We're currently in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Okay, current date and time, okay, 03/03/2022, and that is the current time now in my country, and we currently 13 pips, okay, 8 pips in the minus, okay, and yeah, and we went short, guys. We went short. So I will pause this video and then give you guys an update a little bit later, whether the trade is in a loss or in a positive. Okay, so stop loss on top here. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're going back now, but yeah, I'm confident in my strategy. I'm confident in the software. It's not 100% win rate, impossible. Nothing wins 100%. Okay, but yeah, I'm quite happy with the win-loss ratio of the software. Okay, so I will give you guys an update a bit later. Mr. M standing by. Chat to you guys later. Ciao for now. Hi guys, Mr. M here. We're back again. Okay, so we're currently still running in this trade. I think I'm gonna close shortly. Okay, we're up 41 pips. Date still the same, 03/03. Okay, 9 a.m. my time. Okay, we're still running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Okay, and yes, as usual, live account. As you can see there, IC Markets live. Yeah, and it's still dropping, but we're not greedy. Okay, we know when to close our trades. We don't want to give all our profits back to the market. Okay, and very simple, what the beast was telling me. Okay, simple. Okay, like the retail traders. All right, breakout traders. Okay, and what did the markets do? False break, and it came right back, and it dropped like a waterfall. Okay, so yeah, that is just like I say, stop hunt, guys. Simple stop hunt. Very simple stop hunt. Okay, so like I told you guys, win or lose, I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what the end result is. As you can see, we 44 pips in the profit. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start closing out now. I entered right here. Okay, as you guys can see, there's my entry. All right, entered right there, and then yeah, the market dropped 38 pips. I'm quite happy, guys. Any case, live trade. So as you guys can see, the beast is doing his job again. Okay, so 41 pips in profit. Mr. M signing out. Ciao for now.